Meaning of faith school.
Faith school.
Faith school.
Faith school.
Faith school. A faith school is a type of school that provides education with a religious focus. These schools are often run by religious organizations and teach their beliefs alongside the required national curriculum. The purpose of these schools is to provide an education that is grounded in a particular religious faith or denomination. Faith schools have been a topic of debate, with some critics arguing that they promote segregation and limit diversity. However, supporters argue that they provide a valuable educational option for families who want to integrate their religious beliefs into their children's education.